Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fertilize your crops in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, you need to have the fertilizer, and you can purchase the fertilizers from Blank store, or you can craft the fertilizer. If you want to craft it, you can go to your workbench and you're going to select the fertilizer recipe. I'm going to choose this fertilizer recipe, and we will need weeds and also this timber. And I'm going to craft it. Once you have the fertilizer, you can immediately apply it to your crops. And remember, we can only apply the fertilizer to the crops, not the flower. Okay, and the fertilizer can help you to trigger the bountiful crop, guys. Okay, you need to hold the fertilizer, go to your backpack and hold the fertilizer, and then select the crop that you want to apply the fertilizer to. Okay, just like this. And wait, let me show you the information about the fertilizer. Okay, it says chance to slightly improve crop quality. The effect can be replaced by higher quality fertilizer. And for this one, yeah, it's similar. Okay guys, and that's how we can fertilize our crops in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.